Now, why exactly should you be investing in this project? Well, this project is situated in Kokapet, widely recognized as Hyderabad's fastest growing luxury corridor, making it highly lucrative for long-term wealth generation. Let's also understand about the builder. So the developer holds over 17 years of market expertise in Hyderabad's premium residential spaces. So here's presenting Hallmark Treasure by Hallmark Builders, a project which has premium lifestyle experience that gives you sustainable pricing in the real estate market. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the project overview of Hallmark Treasure by Hallmark Builders, which is located near Gandhipet Main Road, Gandhipet, Narsingi, Hyderabad. But before starting, this is the entire surrounding of the project. So your marketing office is present right over here, and this entire location is going to be your land parcel. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. In the video, we will also be discussing below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and a lot more. So let's get this video started. You see, the project is constructed on 4.62 acres of land parcel featuring 2 towers with 3 basement, ground and 29 floors. It also includes your 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. Coming over to the location part, the project is located near Gandhipet Main Road, Narsingi, Hyderabad. So your Ocean Park over here, your Narsingi Lake, your Nehru Outer Ring Road, everything is only a few minutes away from here. Coming over to the location part, so your Ocean Water Park is just 900 meters away from here, your Narsingi Lake is 3.1 kilometers away and your Nehru Outer Ring Road is also just 4.1 kilometers away from here. Now let's talk about the amenities part. Of course, the project comes with a curated set of lifestyle amenities, which is going to include your grand clubhouse. Firstly, after that, you will find your multi-purpose sports courts area, and then you will also find your kids play area on this side of the corner, and on that side you will also find your fully equipped open gymnasium area and a lot more things. Now for all this while you have been planning to buy a house here in Hyderabad, then I have one strong recommendation for you. You need to watch Rights of Home Buyer series. So why should you watch it? Home buyers sometimes don't even know what their actual rights are. Sometimes after possession you will have leakage, construction quality related issues. Sometimes you also don't know what liabilities. So as a home buyer, it's very important to know all your legal rights. And we have explained all of that in a very simple and easy to understandable manner, and the link for it is in the description below, so do watch the video. Coming over to the super built up area, for 3 BHK it is going to be 1765 to 3830 square feet, and for 4 BHK it is going to be 3530 to 5080 square feet. Let's discuss the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open. The clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the entire project details, will share the pricing and the payment schemes as well. Now, if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, that was the project overview of Hallmark Treasure by Hallmark Builders, located near Gandhipet Main Road, Narsingi, Hyderabad. For more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey and do not forget to click on the link from where you can easily download your e-brochure and your pricing sheets.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.